Hi, I'm going to tell you a quick tip on how to install Aquasana whole house water filter system. I installed the system and I found what I would consider a flaw in their design, and there's a quick fix on what to do to help the install go a lot easier. Hi, so there's the whole house system. Now my issue was in here. They provided a plastic union and I put it together, I adjusted everything tight, and it was still dripping. I think it's just a lousy design. They provide these brass fittings in the Pro Kit, and it was so much easier. You just screw in the brass fittings, you connect your PEX, and you're done. So I ran out to the hardware store and I bought some of the plastic ones. They sell them in packs of 5 from SharkBite, real simple, and I installed those in. I noticed that after putting it together, the plastic didn't seal properly, which was a little bit odd. Instead of buying the brass one, I thought, well, maybe if I could just buy some sealer. I bought the sealer, put it on there, and worked like magic. No more leaks, just screwed it back together. So I just wanted to share this and help anyone else that might be struggling to install the system. It's really, really simple. Once you get the hang of the PEX, it goes together, real easy. The only issue I had was connecting the smaller filters to the larger filter with that plastic union. So instead of fighting that, I would recommend buying some 3/4 fittings and use a little bit of thread sealer, connect your PEX to that, and it'll give you a lot more ability to position your smaller filters to the big one and make the install go a lot smoother. Thanks for watching.